Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage American Cars. In today's video, we're diving into 10 amazing classic trucks and cars that are currently listed for sale on Craigslist. Whether you're hunting for a restoration project, a vintage daily driver, or something that just needs a little TLC, we've got you covered. As always, links to each of these vehicles can be found in the description below. So, let's jump right in and check out what's available. Char 1, 1967 Chevy C10 pickup truck, $8,500, Los Angeles. We're kicking things off with a classic workhorse, the 1967 Chevy C10 pickup. This long bed truck comes with a rebuilt inline-six engine completed in 2020. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission, new front disc brakes, and rebuilt rear drums. Though the rockers are rusted through, the truck is still running great. It's priced at $8,500, but the seller is open to offers, so you might just land a deal. To 1969 Chevy Nova, $7,500, location not specified. Next up is a 1969 Chevy Nova, a solid foundation for anyone looking to build their dream street rod. This one-owner Nova comes with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It's almost all original, save for a repaint from its original frost green color. With 91,000 original miles in power steering, this car is perfect for either a restoration or simply driving it as is. The asking price is $7,500. Hammer 3, 1966 Ford 2-door Custom, $9,850. For those into Ford's racing heritage, we have a 1966 Ford Custom 2-door coupe. Most of these were sold with big blocks and 4 speeds, but this one has a 289 V8 and an automatic transmission. It's a solid entry-level project with a lot of potential, showing 89,000 miles on the odometer. The seller is asking for $9,850, and given its history and condition, it's a tempting offer. Four, 1962 Ford Ranchero, $5,400 Sunland. If you're looking for something compact yet classic, check out this 1962 Ford Ranchero. This little red truck comes with a Mustang 289 V8 swap and a C4 automatic transmission. It's in excellent shape, with new ignition components, shocks, a rebuilt carburetor, and a clean interior. For $5,400, this Ranchero is a steal, and it's ready for you to take on weekend cruises or even local car shows. Five, 1969 Ford F250, Leona Valley. Here's a heavy-duty option for truck lovers, a 1969 Ford F250 with a freshly rebuilt 360 V8 engine. This truck has only 21,000 miles and features power steering and a reupholstered seat. The body is straight, and the bed is in fantastic condition, thanks to a camper being on it for most of its life. It's listed for $6,500 and ready to be put to work. Nahasher 6. 1972 Datsun 521 pickup, $9,300, Clovis. For fans of Japanese classics, here's a 1972 Datsun 521 pickup in original condition. It comes with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has its original paint, though it shows some wear and tear. With a vintage camper shell and a clean California title, this Datsun is listed for $9,300, making it an excellent candidate for a vintage daily driver. Haber 7, 1957 Powell pickup, $6,000, Walnut Creek. Next, we have a rare find, a 1957 Powell pickup. These trucks were produced in small numbers between 1955 and 1957 in Compton, California, and very few survived. This one recently came out of 50 years of storage and features a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. It's priced at $6,000, and for collectors of rare American trucks, this is a must-see. 8. 1962 Chevy Classic truck with new 454 V8, $69,900, Sunland. Up next is a powerhouse, a 1962 Chevy Classic truck with a brand new 454 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's loaded with performance upgrades, including a new Edelbrock carburetor, modern brakes, and fresh wiring. The seller has invested over $9,000 in this build, but it's priced at $6,900. It's a great option for those who want a project with most of the heavy lifting already done. Haber 9, 1973 Chevy Nova Supersport, $8,500, West Hollywood. If you're into muscle cars, here's a real gem, a 1973 Chevy Nova Supersport. This rare SS model comes with a 350 V8 engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, Thorley headers, and a built turbo 400 transmission. It's got an original black interior with factory bucket seats and center console. Though it's not currently running and needs a few repairs, it's listed at $8,500, perfect for anyone looking to finish a high-performance build. (10) 1969 GMC 2500 Longhorn, $6,500. Last on today's list is a 1969 GMC 2500 Longhorn, a serious workhorse with an 8.5-foot bed. This truck comes with a recently installed Crate 350 engine, a new clutch, and heavy-duty suspension. It's got 3 gas tanks, new front shocks, and a mostly original patina. Priced at $6,500, this fully functional truck is ready for work or restoration. That wraps up today's list of classic finds on Craigslist. Be sure to check the description for links to each of these vehicles, and let us know in the comments which one you'd take home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Vintage American Cars for more awesome classic car content. See you next time.